What's up, guys? This is going to be part 3 of the original Fuzz face build. It's completed, all wired up, and I figured I'd give a shot of it. Just squeeze the battery in there. Now, some pointers I wanted to tell you. When you're doing your circuit board, you'd want to pick some of this up. Now, this is for 500 volts. It's insulating, like insulating vinyl. And you get a shot of the label, you could read it. And what I did was I cut a piece and I put it underneath the circuit board, so I'm positively sure that the connections are not going to be touching the pots or anything. There's a shot of the side, the front, the other side. And I made this just battery. No, well, I wanted it as close to original as possible. And then with the back cover, all I did is just get some foam from the craft section at Walmart, and I glued it on the back. Cut it out. Now over here, that's the back of the board. I'm making another one. So it's the way I joined it.